Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best oral thrush treatment is probably one of the most sought-after remedies for the uncomfortable and unsightly symptoms of oral thrush, a common fungal infection affecting the mouth and throat. This video will explore various antifungal treatments available, examining their effectiveness, potential side effects, and overall value to help you make an informed decision about which product best suits your needs and ensures a swift and complete recovery from this prevalent condition. Number 5. Terrasil Clotrimazole Cream. It's a powerful antifungal cream that contains 1% clotrimazole and natural ingredients. It provides fast relief from burning, itching, and irritated skin, suitable for all skin types and genders. This cream has been clinically proven to cure most fungal skin infections. It effectively treats athlete's foot, jock itch, ringworm, and more. It uses a unique patented technology with activated minerals and select ingredients. This combination effectively treats, protects, and supports skin healing. It's dermatologist tested and hypoallergenic, making it safe for even the most sensitive skin. It's also free of parabens, alcohols, dyes, fragrances, and steroids. It's formulated with select natural ingredients for safe and effective results. It also moisturizes cracking, scaling, and damaged skin. What we like? This cream uses a clinically proven formula to provide fast relief from fungal infections. It's also packed with natural ingredients, making it gentle on sensitive skin. If you need quick, effective relief and prefer natural products, this is the one for you. What people say. This isn't just cream. This is divine intervention in a tube. I applied it twice a day like I was summoning a genie, and after a few days, the itching, burning, and fungal squatters began to retreat. After 2 weeks, it was like my crotch had never known hardship. The itch was gone. I have ordered this item on multiple occasions and it has become a daily use product. Reduces sweat, it's easy to apply and definitely prevents any unwanted athlete's foot or other infections. Totally recommend. This stuff works. Same active ingredient as all the other name brands, but for some reason, it just works way better and way faster. Not quite as greasy feeling after you rub it in either. Highly recommend. It doesn't smell like chemicals of any kind. Goes on easy and rubs in much better than the other products that use petroleum-based ingredients. Works. Number 4. Terrasil Tinea Kit. This kit combines a powerful cream and a soothing soap to effectively treat various fungal infections. It's clinically proven and made with natural ingredients for gentle yet effective relief. The cream contains 1% clotrimazole and natural ingredients to fight fungal infections. It soothes itching, burning, and redness, providing relief from discomfort. The all-natural soap complements the cream, gently cleansing and soothing your skin. Daily use helps maintain optimal relief and prevents recurrence. It features activated minerals, the result of over 20 years of research. These minerals, combined with other select ingredients, effectively treat, protect, and support skin healing. It's formulated with all-natural ingredients, free of harsh chemicals, and made in the USA to the highest quality standards. It's gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin. Experience the relief and confidence that comes with clear, healthy skin. Choose Terrasil for effective and natural treatment of tinea versicolor, ringworm, athlete's foot, and other fungal infections. What we like? This kit combines a powerful antifungal cream with a soothing natural soap for complete care. The soap helps prevent future infections while the cream tackles existing ones. If you want a comprehensive solution that's both effective and gentle, this is a great choice. What people say. I ordered another couple of products here on Amazon and never saw any change in my tinea. This did not work overnight, but pretty close. I'd say I used the soap and cream once in the morning and again in the evening for 3 days and it totally cleared up the large patches of tinea I had on my back and abdomen. I stopped using it for a few days just to see how it held up, and I haven't seen any undoing of the treatment so far. This set works great. All but my worst spots cleared within 3 to 4 days of using the treatment as described. Wash with soap then apply ointment. This stuff works. Cleared up my son's neck before our eyes. I had the same problem. Gone. This with tea tree shampoo works wonders. Number 3. Oral Probiotics and Tongue Scraper. Worried about occasional bad breath? This kit combines a tongue scraper and oral probiotics to support fresh breath and better oral health. Simply scrape away debris and enjoy the benefits. Support fresh breath and a healthy mouth by using this tongue scraper and probiotic blend along with your regular oral hygiene routine. It's easy to use and fits into any daily schedule. It contains high-quality probiotics designed to support your overall health. The mint-flavored chewables, combined with the tongue scraper, offer a complete solution for fresher breath. The included scraper helps remove food particles and bacteria, contributing to better oral health and fresher breath. It's a simple yet effective way to improve your oral hygiene. We provide 60 convenient, mint-flavored chewable probiotics for lasting value. They work together with the tongue scraper to support fresh breath and maintain oral health. What we like. This product combines a probiotic supplement with a tongue scraper to promote fresh breath and overall oral health. The probiotics support a healthy mouth, while the scraper removes debris. If you're looking for a natural way to improve your breath and oral hygiene, this is a good option. Number 2. Dr. Tobias Oregano Blend. It helps your body detox and balances your gut microbiome. The unique blend of oregano oil and caprylic acid makes all the difference. This supplement promotes a balanced gut flora. It combines oregano leaf extract, caprylic acid, probiotics, and other gut-friendly ingredients to cleanse harmful overgrowth. It's designed to promote a healthy digestive system and a strong immune response. A healthy gut contributes to your overall well-being. It's non-GMO and made in a GMP-certified facility in the USA using domestic and internationally sourced ingredients. Customer satisfaction is our top priority. We use only the highest quality ingredients. Whether you need gut health, liver support, or detox, we have a supplement to help you. What we like. This supplement blend supports gut health and immune function using natural ingredients. It helps balance gut flora and promotes overall wellness. If you're looking to improve your gut health and boost your immunity naturally, consider this option. What people say. This combo has been working so far. Feeling much better, the product does work. Within no more than 3 days, my condition was totally gone. Number 1. Candi Cleanse Support Supplement. It helps detox and cleanse overgrowth while promoting good flora balance. These are great natural gut health supplements for both women and men. Each serving provides 1,307 milligrams of powerful herbal cleanse ingredients. It's designed to restore gut balance and defend against overgrowth. These non-GMO capsules contain cleansing oregano, caprylic acid, and other beneficial probiotics and herbs. It's a blend of natural ingredients to support your gut health. It supports intestinal and gut health with a blend of probiotics and herbs, including oregano and caprylic acid. This high-potency complex is for adults and children. These capsules help support your gut and digestion with probiotics, enzymes, and rapid cleansing herbal factors. It helps control pH balance for optimal digestive health. It's a natural way to support your body's ability to maintain a healthy balance. Discover the benefits of this powerful supplement today. What we like. This extra-strength supplement uses a natural blend of herbs and probiotics to support gut health and balance. It's designed to fight overgrowth and promote a healthy digestive system. If you need a powerful, natural solution for gut health, this is a good choice. What people say. So it's been 1 week now and I know they work because even though I didn't get sick, the thrush in my mouth is completely gone, no more bad taste, plus I have far more energy, I don't get tired throughout the day and just feel much better. Works great. I recommend starting with 1 pill at night as it can act fast if you are not used to it. For the first 14 days, I had dreams of eating really spicy foods and having stomach upsets. My rashes also got worse. But I decided to persist. And guess what? Everything resolved. The dreams stopped and the rashes went away. Amazing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.